Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMDC ke Dadinggere constituency na Garo Hills u Bernard Marak. Ulaong bahado menta Tangba ubala penrung bat thep Kyrtong na benta banyak kunyi ke election Sdang samoy ke Banlong Dadinggere constituency. Kumta u Bernard ulaong bakum kaseng BJP ke donyo ke jingkermen bakan job ha kini ke election Sdang samoy ke Banwan. Sisu Bernard ulaong ru bakaseng NPP ke Jupan jingkershan na ke BJP na ru usnam arajar khat pra balada berubahnya soy ke jingate soskular Henry menteri rangba hadu menta umju shimkhia ya kini ke jingate kular bat kumju ru kini ke election MP ke balada kaseng NPP ke lapan jingkershan ke BJP Henry tang na kada Kyrtong ke NPP ula sya remno kila Kynnoh Pynban ya kaseng BJP u Bernard ulaong ru balada ke NPP kam ngosok banyak trelang bat ke BJP kadai banyak kun marway la benrap u Bernard.
Very confident that we will be able to we'll be able to compete with these giants.
You're the frontrunner?
Right now, I'm the only one who have applied for the ticket. So most probably, if the party says that we have a good chance of winning, then we're getting the ticket, and we'll be fighting 100%. We'll give our full this one effort.
And why are not going for alliance?
Oh, you see, it is they always backstab us. Before the election, in 2018 election also, we have a written agreement with the CM. And after the election, they never cared, like he never considered that agreement as official. Then after that, last election also he have seen in the Lok Sabha, they told us to support, we supported. And for the failure of their candidate, they are blaming the BJP. So we do not want that. So if they feel that they are not comfortable with BJP, they should go alone, and we should be left alone, because we have mobilized enough to fight the election alone.